Welcome, it means life, Roulette. Today we will discuss about a new trick, a slow but sure winning trick. For this video, I have selected a bankroll of 1000 only and I will play a bets of $1. So using this $1000, I will try to make a profit of $50. So what is the strategy and how I can do this? Let's watch in this video. For this trick, I just use those bets, some side bets actually, and see what happened. I use $2 at this place, $2 at here, and only $1 at this line and play. I have started this video with 1000 bankroll and our target is 1050. As I win here, I just rebet and continue the game. After every win, I will just rebet and continue. Again I win, so rebet and continue. Is 21. Again I win, so just rebet and continue. Again I win, so rebet and continue. You don't need to use any extra strategy in this trick. Whenever you win, you just rebet and play. Is 24. Again I win, so just rebet. Sorry, is 12 and I just rebet and play. Is 20. Again I win, so just rebet and play. Whenever I win, I just rebet and play. Again I win, so again rebet and play. This is a slow process. For every spin, I am winning only $1. It's 2, I lose here. So whenever I lose, I just rebet and multiply my bet with 2. Just double the bet as I lose. I win. So again I will continue the game with just rebet and play. This is a static trick. I lose, so just rebet and double the bet and play. Is 22. I win. As I win here, I just rebet and continue the game. $26. Again I win, so just rebet and continue. $23 again. So my last pin was 23. I win, so just rebet and continue. It's 7. I win again, so just rebet and continue. This is a slow trick. Every time I am only winning $1 or $2. So 21. Just rebet and continue. Is 29. Again I rebet and continue. This is a sure winning trick in Roulette, as I cover most of the numbers from the table. It's 0, it's a loss, so at every loss I just rebet and multiply by 2 and continue. It's 15. I win, so again I rebet and continue. Whenever I lose, I just multiply it or double the bet and continue. And after every win, I will continue the game with the same bets amount by rebet. This is the only sure trick you can make profit in roulette. But only demerit of the trick is this is a slow process. It's 11, I win. And again, it's 11, I win. So just rebet and continue. It's 9, again I win. So just rebet and continue. It's 25, I win. So rebet and continue. It's 3, I lose here. So again rebet and multiply the bet with 2 or double the bet and continue. It's 35, I win. So just rebet and continue. It's 20, I win. So again, I just rebet and continue. This is one of the most efficient trick as I cover most of the table, most of the number from the table. So the winning chances for every spin is too high. In this 7 minutes of game, I make a profit of $55. I started the game with $1,000 and now my bankroll is $1,055. I make the profit of this $55. As I told you, this is one of the most efficient and simple trick to make profit in roulette. But the only problem of this trick is you need to have a bankroll of minimum $1,000 and you need to play a bet of $1. This is a slow process of winning, but this process or this trick definitely gives you some profit in roulette. Every time you play, you will with $1,000 bankroll, you will make a profit of at least $50 to $60. So friends, this trick is very simple and you can use this trick in your roulette to make profit. If you like this video, then please share this video with your friends who are active in roulette so that they can also make profit from this roulette. And keep playing roulette. It's a beautiful game. And thanks for watching. Good luck.